Are you a small, conscious business owner who's struggling with digital marketing? If so, you're probably feeling lost in between social media updates, email marketing, SEO, and everything all at once. Keep listening because this is for you. In this article, I'm gonna address the main tools you can use to build a successful promotion for your brand online. Hi, I'm Chiara. I'm a digital marketing and branding coach. I help founders like you who own small businesses, mission-driven brands, simplify their strategy, and actually enjoy their marketing. The post I'm going to read is from my blog, but I'm reading it out loud so you can learn on the go while you're busy doing everything else. If that sounds helpful, subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Let's get to it. How to start with digital marketing, a beginner's guide for conscious small business owners. From managing a social account without losing your mind to writing SEO-oriented content, from setting up an email marketing campaign to writing content that suits your value and identity, I will equip you with all the essential knowledge to set up a digital marketing plan that works. If you're a conscious small business owner, it's crucial to get in touch with the main aspect of digital marketing. To have a solid brand and a business strategy that allows you to reach your ideal clients, it's probably one of your heart's desire. Digital marketing offers the unprecedented opportunity to reach a global audience with more accessible costs and results that are easier to measure. This means that even small businesses can leverage digital channels to reach new people with less resources they usually have. It's easy to understand that the level of engagement and interaction, and potentially of sales, simply cannot match the traditional media. The ways to communicate with your audience are multiples, and you can leverage those that can help you find your ideal clients better. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, blogs, email campaign, but also YouTube videos or podcasts like this one. Through those, you can communicate directly with your audience, get feedback from them, and ask them what their needs are and how they can be satisfied. The downside? The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and staying updated with the latest trends and technologies is imperative. For newcomers, this means that there are always new opportunities to explore, whether it's through emerging social media platforms, innovative content formats, or the latest tools for data analysis. I know it's hard and challenging, but with a good strategy and a little help from someone who can guide you, you'll rock it, I promise. By the way, if you feel like you need extra support or you're just interested in digital marketing and branding, I also record my newsletter, just like this blog post. So if you're curious, just check my channel. In digital marketing, there are a variety of channels you can use, each of them serving specific purposes and reaching different segments of audience. To understand these channels and what they can potentially do for your business is essential, especially for beginners. Some of the primary channels include social media, email marketing, content in general, SEO or search engine optimization, and advertising. Each of these channels can be used independently or in combination with the others, depending on your marketing goals. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn are powerful tools for building brand awareness and engaging with consumers. Beginners should focus on identifying which platforms are used by their target audience and tailor the content accordingly. If used correctly, social media is a great tool to get to know your target better and what's interested in. Email marketing is another powerful way to communicate directly with your subscribers. You can share news about your activity, promotions for your product, and personalized content with people that willingly decided to follow you via email. Make sure you tailor your content based on topics valuable for your audience. For example, try researching the main question that your target is asking online and answer with blog posts, emails, or videos. This video is actually a good example. Key components of a digital marketing strategy. The first component of a successful digital marketing strategy is audience research, which involves identifying the target market and understanding their needs, preferences, and behaviors. This step is critical for investing in marketing efforts that resonate with potential customers. Tools like surveys, social media insights, and analytics can provide valuable data to help you get to know your audience. Another essential element is the establishment of a unique value proposition, or UVP. This statement differentiates your brand from its competitors and highlights the unique benefits it can offer to your clients. It's crucial for your clients to understand what you're doing and how are different from those who are doing almost the same things as you. They will buy your specificity and value before your products. A well-defined, unique value proposition becomes the cornerstone of all marketing communication, guiding content creation and campaign strategies. Ask yourself what differentiates you from the others. What are the values and the missions you have? Finally, to create a digital ecosystem, it's important to implement a multi-channel approach. That involves different marketing channels such as social media, email, content, and SEO into a cohesive strategy. Make sure though that your brand identity is consistent everywhere, or your audience won't be able to recognize your brand and trust you. Setting smart goals for digital marketing. Setting realistic and actionable goals is the first step of any digital marketing strategy. The SMART framework provides a structured approach to goal setting and allows you to reach specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bounded results. Applying this model will help you create reasonable goals that can guide marketing efforts and facilitate performance tracking. For instance, instead of saying, I want to increase website traffic, a specific goal would be, I want to increase website traffic by 25% within the next 3 months. This clarity allows for more target tactics and actions. You can monitor most of the digital metrics using online tools. In this case, for example, you could use Google Analytics to check the numbers of visitors on your website and conversions rates. This way, you can make informed adjustment to your strategy. To set realistic and attainable goals, it is important to value your time, availability, and the resources you can spend on your business. This will guide you in building a strategy that is also sustainable for you and your team. Creating engaging content for digital marketing. Creating content is the heart of digital marketing, the main way to communicate and provide value to your audience. To create meaningful content, it's important to know what are the real interests of your audience and what problems they have to solve. This requires thorough research and analysis to identify the types of content that resonates most effectively. Some examples of digital content in marketing is blog posts, short or long-form videos, infographics, podcast episodes, social media posts, email campaigns and newsletters, case studies, ebooks, webinars and online events, guides, ebooks, and downloadable PDFs. These are the most common ones, but you can get very creative with content. This can be conjugated in many types of content. The most popular and engaging are educational content, how-to, tips and tricks, case studies, or guides. Storytelling content, customer stories, how your brand is born, or a behind the scene of your work. Visual content, graphics, memes, videos, GIFs. Interactive content, surveys, quizzes, live streaming, or webinars. You'll need to choose based both on what is better for your audience and what works best for you. If you feel more confident in writing than doing YouTube content, maybe it will be better to launch a blog instead of a YouTube channel. The more confident you feel while making content, the more your clients will appreciate your uniqueness. Whatever you will choose, always remember to craft something that is valuable for them. Consistency in content creation is vital for building a loyal audience and increasing the visibility on search engines. That's why I always encourage beginner small business owners to develop a content calendar that outlines topics, formats, and publication schedules in a way that allows them to maintain consistency and ensure a steady stream of relevant content. This strategic approach can significantly enhance brand presence and authority in the digital space in the long run. Search engine optimization, SEO basics. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is an essential aspect of digital marketing that focuses on increasing a website visibility in search engine results. It's a rather complex topic, but for beginners, understanding the basics of SEO is enough to start driving some organic traffic to their company websites. The first step in SEO is keyword research, which involves identifying the terms and phrases potential customers actually use when searching for products or services. Tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest can help beginners discover relevant keywords or target. You will find the links to this tool in the description. We can divide SEO practice in 3 types: on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. SEO on-page refers to all the SEO techniques that you can apply directly on your website pages to optimize your search engine results, like content, high quality and engaging for your public, keyword use, especially on titles, description, and text, website structure, your website should be easy to understand and navigate, images optimization, meaning use lightweight images with correct tags and alt text to improve your visibility. SEO off-page instead refers to all the action you take outside of your website to improve its ranking. Especially, it focuses on the reputation and authority of your site in the eyes of Google. Some examples include link building, meaning getting links from other websites that direct to your pages, social media, meaning sharing your content on social media to drive extra traffic, or reviews and testimonials, like having positive ones to improve your online reputation. Technical SEO, instead, plays a significant role in ensuring that a website is easily crawlable by search engine. This includes optimizing site speed, mobile friendliness, and ensuring a clean URL structure. I strongly recommend to beginners who want to dive into SEO to also familiarize with tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console to monitor site performances and identify areas for improvement. Relevant note: I'm referring mostly to Google because while writing is still one of the most used ones, but be aware that SEO rules applies differently for different search engines like Bing, Ecosia, etc., etc. SEO is also changing fast, as AI is playing a huge role in it. Make sure to keep updated with it if it's your primary source of traffic. I have another video on this, you'll find the link below. Now let's talk email marketing. While being widely underestimated, still remains one of the most effective digital marketing channels for businesses of all sizes. It's considered a known channel, therefore way more valuable than loose post views or clicks. To put you in perspective, while social media followers are people following your page inside a platform that could decide to kick you out tomorrow, newsletter lists are yours until the single user unsubscribes, and the list can be migrated from platform to platform. No need to be shy to send emails and newsletter to your audience. If they decided to leave their email address, then it clearly states that they want to hear from you. So the first step is to build a robust email list. This involves collecting email addresses through sign-ups forms on website, paid ads promotion, and lead magnets, for example, ebooks or exclusive offers. While doing this, it's important to prioritize obtaining consent to comply with data protection regulation, the GDPR. Once an email list is established, segmenting the audience is crucial for delivering personalized content. Segmentation can be based on factors like demographics, purchase history, or engagement levels. By tailoring messages to specific groups, you can increase opening rates and engagement, leading to higher conversion rates. For instance, sending targeted promotion to customers who have previously purchased similar products can extend the average life cycle of your customer. Last but not least, social media has become one of the most adopted marketing tools of our times. To succeed on social media, the first step is to identify on which platforms your target audience is present. For each one, you'll have to create different type of content, such as promotional posts, educational, or user-generated content. To create a sense of community is crucial. Respond to comments, messages, and mentions. Talk with your audience and ask them what they like. In time, they'll start seeing your brands as the go-to for help and support. Make sure to leverage all features like polls, live videos, or stories to facilitate interaction and keep followers engaged. If you're not confident yet, start with something that feels easy for you. Whatever it is, try to show the human side of the brand. Conscious audiences love it. Collaborating with influencers or other brands of your niche can also help your brand reach a bigger audience, but beware of vanity metrics. Make sure their audience aligns with yours and that is really engaged. Now let's talk data. Once you're starting to put yourself out there, it's crucial that you measure your results. Monitoring and analyzing digital marketing performance is essential for understanding the effectiveness of strategies and making informed decisions. For beginners, the first step is to establish key performance indicators, aka KPIs, that align with their marketing goals. By defining what success looks like for you, you'll be able to focus the efforts without wasting precious resources. Thank you for listening until the end. I hope this gave you something useful to work with. If it did, remember to hit subscribe so you support my channel and you don't miss the next video. And if you want to dive deeper, there's more video in my channel or more free resources on my Gumroad profile. You can find all the links in the description. Bye!